Suspicion. Judges are Caesar's wife above suspicion. Merely a trial of a petty criminal, but the conduct of a sitting judge, which has shocked the nation, and the functionality of constitution is at stake. Therefore, continuance of Justice Yashwant Verma any further as High Court judge is dangerous for the democracy, as it eroded public faith, which is the only power available with the judicial system. If faith gone, everything gone. Nation will collapse. Bar Association is of a considered opinion that immediate steps should be taken for impeachment of this judge. It is opposite to state that after this incident, the judiciary, specifically the High Court and the Supreme Court, will not be able to claim moral high grounds. It is further discussed by the senior lawyers that conduct in question does not pertain to any judicial function of Justice Verma, and therefore no protection or facility is to be granted. This protection is given for due discharge of judicial duty. We further place on record with full trust and respect and confidence with our judicial system, because it is manned by absolutely honest, dedicated and hard-working persons. We have full faith in our honorable judges. We must record that there are only few who are polluting this flow of judicial river, and thus demand for strict action in accordance with general law of this country by withdrawing all the protections. The damage is caused not only to public trust but also to the image of impartial justice, which cannot be tolerated at all. Now we propose, High Court Bar Association opposes any proposed transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma to Allahabad High Court or its Lucknow bench or to any other High Court. किसी भी जगह इनको ट्रांसफर ना किया, दिल्ली में बैठाया जाए, वहीं बैठे, वहीं इनकी स्क्रूटनी करिए. CGI should immediately permit the filing of FIR and investigation by CBI or ED and other investigating agencies, with full permission to the investigating agencies to apply the law of land to every offender, including the delinquent judge, Justice Yashwant Verma, and if need be, he should be taken into custody for questioning and interrogation with prior permission of CGI. CGI should recommend immediately to the government to draw impeachment proceeding against Justice Yashwant Verma.
भारतर एकमात्र परीक्षित बायोसार पृथ्वी प्रो माटी को रखे सुस्थ दिए नुआ जीवन. धान, पनीपरिबा और डाली जातीय फसल लाभदायक, अमल बढ़ाए, रोग कमाए. आज ही जमी रे प्रयोग करंतु. जोगाजोग 9937054201 नंबर को डायल करंतु. आम सह जोड़ी हेबा पाई आमको लाइक, फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करंतु. अधिक अपडेट पाई विजिट करंतु आम वेबसाइट thequiver.in.